Hey, girls like makeup products, but they also like to purchase the makeup products which is already applied and they can see how does it look. So if you are selling any kind of makeup products, make sure you have the right product photography and videography before you start selling those. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can create such kind of awesome product photography and videography in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, go to the tools website. You will find the link in the description. Go there and click on the link. After that, you will see the box that says start free trial. Click on it and sign up using your Google account. After signing, you can see on the dashboard, TopView AI offers many features like avatar marketing, video avatars, and product any shoot. Since we want to do makeup product photography, we will click on product any shoot section. This is the editing dashboard. Now go to the left side. Inside this box here, you will need to upload an image of your product. Below that, you will find brush and erase tools, which we will use later. You can also adjust the brush size if needed. Then select how many images you want to generate. Now move to the center of the screen. Here you will see 3 options: public template, AI create, and local upload. You can upload your own image under local upload or generate image using your own prompt under AI create. But we will be using public template, so let's click on that. TopView AI provides wide range of categories based on different product types. Since our product is makeup items, we will select the makeup category. Now you will see many model templates, including options from different nationalities. Choose the one you like. I'm selecting this one and click use. Next, we need to use the brush tool to highlight the area where we want to place the product. So I have done that already. So I'm clicking next on generate button. And in just a few minutes, TopView AI will generate high quality product photograph. Let's check that out. And here is the final result. Now let's turn this image into product advertisement videos. Let's see how to do it. Click on image we just generated. If you want, you can download it from here. You will also see a button called image to video. Click on that. On the left side, there is a box where you can enter your prompt. I have already written mine, so I'm just pasting it here. So if you want this prompt, comment prompt in the comment box and email me with the same subject line prompt and I'll send you over the email. Next, select the video quality and duration and choose how many videos you want to generate. There is also a box for negative prompt. If something you want to avoid in your video, you can mention it here. Finally, click on generate button and TopView AI will create a full video for your product. Looks cool, right?
Yes.
So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friend. Please comment down what would you like to see in our next video. See you in the next video.